Hey there, health warriors! Did you know that fiber is essential for keeping our bodies in top shape? It helps with digestion, controls blood sugar, and even lowers the risk of heart disease. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 healthiest high-fiber foods you need to eat daily. Let's get right to it. First up, we have oats. Whole oats are packed with soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This type of fiber lowers cholesterol and helps regulate blood sugar. One bowl of oatmeal in the morning keeps you full for hours and boosts your heart health. Next on the list are lentils. These little powerhouses provide about 15 grams of fiber per cup. They're great for improving digestion and are also rich in protein, making them an excellent addition to soups, salads, or curries. Don't overlook chia seeds. These tiny seeds expand when mixed with liquid, creating a fiber-rich gel that supports digestion and keeps you feeling fuller longer. Just 2 tablespoons contain 10 grams of fiber, plus omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados. Yes, avocados. Not only are they rich in healthy fats, but one avocado contains around 10 grams of fiber. This creamy superfood aids digestion, keeps your gut happy, and is great for heart health. Finally, we have raspberries. These sweet, juicy berries are one of the highest fiber fruits with 8 grams per cup. Their fiber helps reduce blood sugar spikes and supports healthy digestion. Add them to smoothies, salads, or just snack on them. And there you have it. 5 incredible high-fiber foods that you should be eating daily to support your health. A fiber is your gut's best friend, so start adding these foods to your meals today. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite high-fiber food.